Hi guys, this is Manchu Kotnala and you are watching RoboVention. So in today's video we are gonna disassemble this Joypad, this one, and we will then check out how we can use this Joypad to make an remote control bot whose remote will be this Joypad. So let's start disassembling it. So let's start guys. Now first we'll open all these screws. So all screws are open. Let's take this casing out. Okay. So now we are going to take this casing out. Let's see how it looks from inside. Okay. So guys, this is the inside view of a Joypad. You can see this is a motor. Basically, this is a vibrating motor. The vibration you feel while playing the game is due to these motors. And this is the thing which we require the most. It is a chip for controlling these things which we require the most to make our remote control car remote. So let's open this thing and check out what's it look like. So guys, this is a thing we require. Let's take the all joystick parts out from its casing. Well guys, this is a joystick. Well, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. In my coming video I would be showing you how to utilize these chips to make a remote, and I have many more ideas related to videos. Like in coming video I would be also showing how does a rectifier works and types of rectifiers. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more videos like these, please press the subscribe button, and also share these videos with your friends. These are quite informative. Thank you for watching. I am Anshu Kotnala and you're watching RoboVention.